Respawn it,
Da
babe.
Vinci?
Oh no.
Oh, hey Chase, how you doing?
Not good, man. I've had a rough go at work
I'm
recently.
stuck.
Hold that
Oh.
Yeah, go get thatch. Go give me some thatch. Go give me some
Do
thatch.
that. I gotta go get my crap.
Mine's probably
Thatch.
despawned.
Thatch.
I think I have thatch in my inventory. I gotta get this first.
But thatch.
Oh, I can spawn on a bed now. Awesome.
Where's my corpse?
Whoa.
I had to build a whole nother raft.
Talk about it. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Did
yeah,
you spawn
funky
back
So
here?
Chase, about those dino gates.
Well, if you don't attack
Funky
the trike, it's
town.
fine.
Maybe you don't attack the
Okay,
trike.
well, I just got all my stuff
we
back.
weren't attacking the trike. The trike just randomly ran at the house.
Yeah, because he was pissed off at what Trayson did.
But it was so
But-
many now.
but-
Like, those weren't even the same ones, remember?
Tracer wasn't even here when it pissed off at
Yeah.
the wall.
I may have started,
wall
but
made
I
him
didn't
mad.
finish it.
The wall made him mad. Oh, do you make...
What if I jump on this bird's back?
Oh, that's a great idea.
I feel like Trace's the type of person to get a bunch of otters mad at him.
I am. It's happened to me before.
Wow,
That's concerning.
that's funny.
Alright, I got some stuff put in the chesty bob thing.
How do I tame this bird?
I'm
Well,
acquire
if you
the
let
others.
me get
Great question.
all this stuff situated, if we
But
can
they're
all-
going squaw.
Yeah, we can tame it. I just need to make stuff.
Can we train the Triceratops?
Man, I-
He's
Oh
level
my
45.
God.
He'd do so much.
Y'all should.
I was planning on it,
100%.
but now I have second thoughts.
Ooh, look at that one.
1000%.
That's a big dookie. I'm gonna take that one.
Wow.
You wanna see me eat this
Dee dee
freaking
dee
colossal dump?
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.
Consume, baby. Ooh.
Alright.
And I'm dying. And I'm
I
dying.
also think
And
we
I'm
need
Who
dying.
would have
to
guessed?
figure out where Anna is, and
Guys, never eat poop at the ray. I'm not clickbait.
I don't know if I need to turn the XP multiplier down. To
How do I
it's
craft the
so
other
fast,
stuff?
but-
Well, we had it pretty high up because on the other server.
Wait a minute. So it says I've got 541
I'm just
points.
asking if I need to turn it down.
It says I got 541
Ah,
points, but I can't
up to
actually
you.
click any of these with the points to get them. It
What?
just does nothing. I
Oh.
can't use the craftings. The
That
engrams.
doesn't seem right.
What do you know?
I'm
Do you
not
have
alive.
enough engrams to buy it?
I have 541 points.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, whenever
If I
you,
click it, it just makes a bad sound.
Oh. You broke it with the Triceratops.
I probably did.
whenever you click on something, there's a little bar at the bottom. This is learn.
You're
Yeah.
a bar.
It's like
It says it requires 3 points. I have 541 points.
That means you only need 3 points out of 500.
Then why doesn't it work?
Because you have too
This-
many points.
I broke it by
Arc
getting,
logic.
Oh,
I
Oh,
recommend
wow.
it.
So I've already broke the
Yeah,
game.
it's always nice.
By getting too many points, I now can't use engrams, which means I cannot craft anything other than the note, stone pick, torch, and campfire.
Alright, listen.
You broke the
Awesome.
game.
I can't find a
Bottom,
stone.
Okay.
Oh, I
I'm
found
looking
stone.
at the bottom.
Well, I mean, he's
Whenever
crafted
you
other stuff, so I
click
don't think
on
that has to
something, it
do.
says
Or not
learn.
crafted, like.
I don't
Whatever,
need
I'm
to
a
learn.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I'd have to learn to craft a campfire.
What?
I can't help
Oh.
you, man. I'm trying my best, and you're just.
Well, I'm looking,
I'm
but there's nothing I
confused
can change. Oh, it doesn't work on mouse and keyboard. Okay, yep. With a controller, it works fine. I can click every single one. I just learned like 500 things.
Wow.
Well, let's go for bad
she's
games.
so clever.
Wow.
That's what I think about Toby
What's that thing?
Fox.
Okay, there we go. That thing is immortal.
You're
Trying to kill
immortal.
Triceratopses again.
I wish.
You wish. Now they'll start fighting you if you try attacking them.
Come back here.
But yeah, I've been.
Not dinner.
I'm now learning the 12
Not
category.
hungry.
I have berries.
That's what I've been eating. What?
That's been my past diet for the past like 2
God,
minutes.
dang it.
What? Past 2 minutes.
What? Okay.
Ah!
Oh,
I
I
got
accidentally
stuck.
shot a pterodon. Okay, I guess he's
Hello,
just gotta
mister.
go, man. Can't really stop him.
Bro's immortal.
He's just going.
Hello.
Microsoft claims otherwise.
Microsoft is lying to you.
They're spying on
Ow.
you right
You stole
now.
my berries.
They should know what you're doing, theoretically, within the
Where'd you get a
realm.
bird, Allison?
I hate those goofy birds.
Huh?
Where'd you get a bird?
Just now.
What?
Mind getting me
Oh,
one?
what?
Oh,
Oh.
There's
You're
a
so
supply,
gay.
a green supply crate.
You're a
I
green
think.
supply crate.
Nope, I take that back.
What do I
That's
need?
just a
5 or
My bad.
what?
I'm done.
Hang on. How does? Hold up. I have to. I
Oh, Jeffrey started speaking French for some reason.
We. This is the beginning of the Pterodon army.
Oh
Yes.
no.
Mine is called Nike Kicks.
Oh no. Mistakes
Die.
have been made.
I'll name this one Musk.
Oh great.
He shall be a part of the Elon Musk bloodline.
I'm not very good at
Gosh.
Wow, I suck. Literally.
Okay. Alright.
Back.
Name your Pediteron.
Here, sit down.
Blackhead? Wait,
You probably won't let you name it that.
No,
No.
there is censoring.
Yeah.
There used to
for
not
some
be
reason.
that.
Sadly.
It's weird because even then it's like a private server, so. I mean, I don't know.
He is now Musk.
It sounds like a hog's name.
Can I not name it anything with the letter N?
But if it's like a normal name.
If I type too fast, it doesn't keep the. It doesn't even. Okay, I don't think it's actually my Pentadon because it walked away from me, and every time I type anything, I type bread and it didn't work.
Oh. You broke it
Right.
again.
I just break the game every 5 seconds. Is the
It
issue?
hates you now. The game
Why is that
hates
one
you.
named Nike Kicks?
That's
One, don't touch it.
Buckle my shoe. 3,
No.
4,
No.
buckle some more.
No.
5,
Tyson, I
6,
feel like you're that guy in that
Nike
video.
Kicks. I wish, bro. He met Mr. Beast.
Yeah,
You're dehydrated. Find some water fast. I better run. There's no
Can
water
someone
around.
bring me
Keratin.
trank arrows?
There's no water around, he says.
I have Trank
It's
arrows
okay.
ready.
I think
Can you
these
bring me some?
Triceratops have
I'm by
some
the
water in
water.
them. Let me just hit him like a
Oh
like
wow!
a pinata.
Wow, we're not like we're surrounded by water or anything.
I'm here. I'm by the
The
Bronto.
map literally called the
Got
island.
it. Okay, I see. What are you trying to say?
1, 2. I'm doing a thing.
He's
You
doing
You know, y'all
something.
should not eat the blackberries, but I actually figured out how to eat the blackberries.
The
Well,
what?
he's gonna go sleepy time. Very
No, just
soon.
eat them really
to go.
slowly and you won't fall out.
Inks.
Why?
Or just
You
eat the
'em
white
really
berries
slowly,
after you eat the
little
black
thing
ones.
won't fill up.
To tame stuff,
Okay.
so
Okay.
let's use them.
I'm
It's
hungry, you
unbothered.
know? You know, I think my health matters a lot in this game. I just don't want to eat too many or you'll get sick.
Exactly. He can't tame if he's not alive.
Okay, I have 14 left. Is that enough to tame something? I'm gonna go tame this Triceratops. Hey, buddy. Hey, yeah, this is not working.
Not the Triceratops.
I'm just gonna eat all of them at once and pass out. And I'm done. That's game. I ate way too many.
That's
I'm gonna go ahead and get on the bed because I know I'm about to pass out. I'm just gonna
He's
stand
going
right
sleepy
here.
time. A huge part of our lives. What was I doing?
I'm almost out of sleepy time. Just give my dude a
There
second.
we go. Allison, what do you think?
Put in. Oh, that looks nice.
Chase, you have hide by any chance as well?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, I'm now out of sleepy time. Ah, what a good
Yeah,
nap.
I got some hide.
You know, I think I want to eat some more
182.
narco berries.
No. Don't eat anymore.
I'm gonna eat these new ones instead. Oh, those are narco berry seeds. Oh crap, I'm gonna die. Bro,
I don't
bet
think
when
you
you
can
eat the
eat
seed,
those.
you just die.
Can you?
Oh, I did. I ate twice.
What?
They don't
Oh.
actually hurt you though, so that's cool.
Oh.
Watch my dude just die. I'll be walking around. Dude. Okay, y'all. I'm getting off this game. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'm dehydrated. Guys, never eat narcoberry seeds, bro. I am thirsty.
Totally not what we've been saying all this time.
Hey, I
Be
know you
careful
never
with
said
that.
not to eat the seeds. You just said not to eat the berries.
You know what? You got me there. I'll admit.
These turn into
Me
berries.
too.
Chase concedes.
I'll give that one.
He's
up.
giving up. He's
Yeah.
giving up.
I'm gonna like go into the house before I leave though. Maybe I'll live.
I need.
Yeah, you know what? That's a pretty good looking
24.
house.
I need 24 more.
That's a
chitin
good looking Roblox
or
house.
Chitin?
keratin. Or keratin.
Keratin.
Bone.
Okay, yeah.
I use twine to make a saddle.
Okay, that is plentiful of this game. I might open the game again. I doubt it.
Man's never coming back.
But yeah, I'm off though for tonight.
Hey, at least you tried it.
I tried it. I did. I actually gave it a fair chance. It's Yep, it's a game.
Alright.
The
The house has been built. What
Having
the
a new
f-
car.
Look where Jason collapsed sleeping. Holy crap.
Wow.
What is that?
I don't know, man. It ain't good.
Oh god.
It looks extremely
Chase, I tamed you a
unhealthy.
bird.
Oh, thank you.
Bro, it's just a
Now
blob.
you gotta get animal
Whee.
stuff there.
It's not going backwards. How do I go backwards?
I was like, wow, I'm
You,
really behind.
You go down on the joystick.
I'm going down on the
Right.
joystick. It's not going backwards.
Oh,
Gosh dang it, Chase, you
boy.
beached her.
No, why?
Alright, let's go to the other one. Oh, there it goes.
Having
I'm gonna keep working over here.
Oh, I see
So
it.
despawned.
It's coming.
Oh no.
Carb is coming.
Come on, Carb. Come on.
He's trying his best.
Yes.
Bro, Carb, not gonna lie, man. I need you not to be inside the boat when I'm trying to go.
Are really slaying on it right now. Y'all just hating on him.
Hey,
guys.
hey, how you doing?
I'm
Good
pretty
evening.
You like carb?
Oh, this is carb. Love
Yeah.
That was like the Peter
Yeah.
laugh.
it. Yeah.
Oh,
It's a swim bit. Oh, guys, problem. There's a megalodon coming after carb.
Oh.
Well, oh god.
Bad news, boys. I just saw a fin in the water. I was like, what was that? Uh oh.
no,
Get him to
no
swim.
carb, no.
Get him to swim.
Carb, no, passive. Come on. Carb.
I'm on
Passive.
the way.
I'm on my way.
Carb, no, he's gonna die.
Not carb.
Come on, you. S
Where is it? Here. Come here, you little bird. You little gay bird.
Wait, Jeffrey, where are you at?
Flying
He
around.
is literally the gayest bird I've
Where?
ever seen in my entire life. They won't leave you alone. Either. They're just gay.
I found a Nathan. Chase, I'm eating Nathan. Come here,
no,
Nathan.
not a Nathan.
I have one tamed. It's the first one I tamed.
That's my boy. Oh no, my boy.
My boy.
Other help.
Come on.
Guys, I don't need to level up anymore.
What do you mean?
I'm 69.
Oh. I thought you were saying because you were
Holy
like already
crap!
like the highest level.
Yeah, I was about to say no way. I was about to be
No.
mad.
I'm
I
65.
Guys,
spin
one
the
of those
cap
big
out.
fish are after me. Oh,
Oh no, no.
Oh,
Oh, God,
man, that
no.
really sucks.
oh
No, don't.
God, go. Oh,
This is the gayest
travel.
thing in existence.
It's the one that'll like shake your raft around, and you know.
That's the
like
whale?
A really big one.
Yeah, the big whale.
Yeah.
Mm,
This thing just
The
swacked
big
me right
one.
now.
that
killed a
sounds
dodo.
pretty
I'm happy.
annoying. Not the dodo.
Basically
Not
chicken.
the dodo.
Oh God, he hit me again. Go faster, boat.
don't know what to do about this.
The boat's like,
bird. It's
no.
getting on my nerves.
No, wait. You don't want to do this. Out!
I
I'm so
see
close
that.
to the island. Elson, is that
I
you
can
on that
s-
little land?
Yeah, I see.
Oh god. It's still after me.
Do you need help?
No, it's fine, I'll make it. Ah! Just make sure. Ow! Don't waste your stamina. I'll lose them in this cove. Oh my! Oh, no, there's two of them! Ah!
Oh,
Elsa,
you are
pick me up,
screwed.
please!
You're too heavy!
Oh god.
You're so heavy! I
Wow,
can't move! Drop some stuff!
Bro.
calling him fat.
Either this or you die!
Oh my goodness.
No, not the spoiled meat! Dropping!
Bye.
I can't kill him.
I got all. Oh god.
I got attacked by
Oh
some-
no, my
It is-
boat's
Oh, I
at the
found-
bottom of the ocean.
I found a Quetzal. Chase, I found a Quetzal.
Elson, luckily I don't see any sharks. So
That's a
we're
first.
doing okay right now. God, that thing is just huge. Although my stamina is getting low, I may need to pick me up in a second so I can regain my stamina. But I think I should make it.
Okay, I'm starting to want
Uh-oh.
to give up with this gay bird.
Bad news. Okay, no, he pissed off. There is a shark.
Is he chilling though?
He is chilling at the moment.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of if he will keep it that way.
Oh no.
We're almost
Fine.
there.
He'll-
Oh god.
He'll stay chilling.
Why was there two of those things? What are the odds? Uh-oh. Make it to land, make it to land, make it to land. Wait. You don't want to do this. Okay, we're good. Oh,
I want to hit it.
it's scary.
Yeah.
It's scary.
Yeah.
Not the scary thing.
That thing is scary. Oh, there's another one in our cove. Well, someone for the boat. Thing is, the boat, like, you know the little health bar for the boat? It was fine. And all of a sudden it's just, well, there it goes. I just started sinking.
Oh wow.
Guys,
No,
I will be
there's no
back
bird.
in probably like an hour.
Oh,
What'd
are you
you
gonna
say?
take a shower?
No,
11:28.
I'm gonna go find something and it's gonna take forever.
Oh, I thought you meant like you were leaving
Find
the
a
game.
horse or something.
A
No.
unicorn.
No,
Oh, what?
I predict horses.
I don't know what it is.
no,
Definitely sounds like horses.
no,
I'm no
It's a
genius or
unicorn.
anything, but
no.
It's a unicorn.
It's not a unicorn.
It's a unicorn.
Oh, a Titanoboa. But no,
It's a unicorn.
no. It's cooler.
And a unicorn? Oh, a Thylo.
No. I have no
What?
drink darts for that.
I will kill it.
Why?
You like Thylos? Those are not the claw thingies.
Oh, what are the
Yeah,
things?
they're the like little tiger
Thylos
things.
are the
Okay,
ones that will
that's
jump
fine.
off.
Good
you
luck
at the
with that.
trees.
Holy crap.
Dude,
Oh,
that
she said
one's
it's not
so
one of
easy.
those.
Good luck. They do not like me.
Uh-oh. A Thylo. I heard it. I see it. It's on me. Okay. Ow, ow,
Yeah, I was
ow,
gonna say, did it
ow,
jump at
ow,
you?
Ow,
Oh, no.
ow, ow, ow,
Sounds like you're a little screwed. Did she die?
ow.
Or, yeah, she did. Bird
Yes,
killed
a little bit.
her.
Who's is Musk? Oh, that's Jeffrey's.
Mine.
Okay. Can I
Musk
borrow
man.
it?
Sure.
Jeffrey, you loan that through, it's gonna get killed, guaranteed.
It's
Alright,
not
Chase, you
going
have
to-
triggers or?
To danger.
Yeah, I already
It has
dropped them in
good
it.
stamina, so we're good.
It has
Cracked.
good stamina.
It doesn't really. It can't make
Yeah,
it.
pterodons don't have
Yeah,
good
you have to
weight or
take multiple
stamina.
trips. You can't.
But they're
You
fast.
can't make the can't make the trip to the main island in one trip. You have to stop at the little small one.
I did.
By the way, you got a couple other angry ones behind you. I'm assuming it's siblings.
Oh really?
So, oh crap.
We're going. We're gonna
What do you
find
want me-
my pterodon.
What do you want me to do
You
about
got
him,
this.
Chase?
I believe in you.
We can try to kill him.
I
It
have
was a
nothing to
pretty
kill it with.
silo.
Do you want me to whack it with a torch?
No.
That's all I got.
It was orange. I
I can
couldn't
get
Hang on,
it.
make
hang
this
on.
thing.
I have an idea. I have an idea.
Oh,
I have
Wait,
an
wait,
idea.
wait, wait. I
Come
think
here,
we
big boy.
got out.
Oh no! Oh no! I didn't mean to bonk you, dude.
You chill?
I'm so
You chill?
sorry.
You chill? Alright, you chill.
You chill. You chill. You chill. You chill. You chill.
Why can I not?
Oh, it's a
This
quest.
is weird.
He said
Got
it
some
dog.
berries you can put in there.
Yeah, I put some berries in there.
Dog.
I promise I will not get Musk killed. I'm just
The
curious.
other bird isn't dead yet, so maybe there's
Taking a
chance.
little peek. There's a Sarco in this water.
You went in the redwoods, didn't you?
Most likely. Yeah.
Oh, I sure
she's-
did.
Ugh.
That's why that looked
He
open.
was looking for a Thylo.
No,
Redwoods?
Well,
wasn't.
not quite. She just happened to encounter one.
Oh, that's a circle. Ah, oh, piranhas.
Oh, that's nice.
I will get. There's some metal rocks up here. I'll get the metal.
Jason
and I'll
has
just-
11
I'll
metal.
toss it down the hill.
I'll toss it down the
Let's try
hill.
that.
Jason has metal though.
Not enough to make. How much metal does he have?
11.
That's not enough.
It's enough.
No, it's
I
not.
didn't have any good
Help.
stuff, so it's okay.
I mean, yeah.
Because I dropped
put it in,
everything
refining fluid.
Yeah.
before I rode my pterodon. Because it was,
See how much
couldn't
metal
carry
I
my
can
weight.
carry.
Hang on, sorry, Jason. I'm gonna have to steal your metal here.
You probably won't join back.
Probably won't.
Most likely not. If we all.
I
I
don't,
knew
I don't,
that
I don't
would
see him
happen.
doing it.
Well, at least he tried it.
Yeah.
It's a T-Rex.
Oh.
Honestly, he lasted a lot longer than I thought.
I'd same here.
Mm.
Alright, Ever. You see me up
Where are
here?
you? Oh, hi.
Alright, let's try this out. Donk.
Oh, I got it. I
My
got it. Oh, I
bird?
got it.
My bird hasn't died yet.
That worked.
So
Holy
we're
Great.
still
crap, that is a lot of
kicking.
metal.
Yeah, man.
Jeez.
That's a
Where
lot
do
of
you want me to put it?
Spino. There's
Refining
like 7 Spinos in the same water.
Finding first. Got it.
Yeah, that's not the best area.
I have no idea where my bird could be.
Oh no.
Like, no
Hmm.
idea.
Can you at least
Well,
get
if that's the
green
case, do you
bean?
mind bringing mine back?
Oh. yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm working on
He's
it.
looking for it.
Please.
Please. I want it to live.
I'm
I like my bird.
It will live. My bird's not dead. It's just I might not live again.
Yeah, really no.
Lord, I'm tired.
Gotta find it. Because I was looking
Now
for
we
something.
need the hide. I got that. I think
Oh,
fiber.
I'll just continue on my journey. I have
I wanna
no
make a
idea what
sword
that
'cause I
thing
have a
could be.
skin for a sword, and I really want to use it.
Well.
Alright, you got a saddle?
Whoa. I don't remember coming here. That's not good. I think
Yeah.
my pterodon gone.
Oh no, it should still be there.
Forever. Hey Spino, how you doing? I see it. I see the thing I've been looking for. I am jumping off this bird. Oh, this is gonna hurt.
That's not
Alright,
gonna be a good
That's
idea.
lovely.
Oh, what's dying? What's dying? What's getting killed?
Me.
Uh-oh. No, my
Please no.
pterodon is
Please-
killing
please no.
something.
Hold on, Jeffrey. Don't worry about it.
More like my
Don't worry
pterodon's
about it.
getting killed by something.
I see the thing I want. I just don't. I need to find the thing
Pterodon.
for it. That was not a raptor, was it?
Oh no.
Pterodon
Oh.
got it.
It's my
Pterodon.
phone.
Jeffrey, you alone that they're just gonna get killed, guaranteed.
I'm very sorry for your loss, Jeffrey.
Oh.
Excuse me.
I'm so sorry. I
told
didn't
you.
mean to. I
Told
didn't
you.
mean.
I told you!
Oh.
Wow.
What'd I tell you? I see another pterodon over there.
Well,
Wow.
Look at that. Oh, this is it.
That
This is
didn't
it.
take
there goes 5.
I'll
Alright,
tame you
pterodactyls.
another, I
I'm
promise.
jumping down the hill.
Where is?
Look behind.
Okay, I'm sorry,
Oh.
but there was Carno.
I got you.
and
I got you. I got
couldn't-
you.
I couldn't do anything about it.
You could have.
Oh my gosh, this is it. This,
Oh,
oh. My health is very low right now. 2 Carnos came out of nowhere. I didn't even see them.
I feel like you were not prepared to go tame one of those either way.
What do you think I was taming?
The thinking thing. Why?
I'm not taming
She's
those.
not trying to tame a Thylo. She's trying to tame something else.
What are you trying to tame then?
That's what
See,
she's
I was
been
going
saying.
in the redwoods to get to the thing, but then the style I was too low, I guess.
Maybe like an RG, is that what you were trying to tame?
No, and then I finally found it with Jeffrey's bird, so I landed. I looked around, didn't see anything. So then tried to get it, but then Carnos came out of nowhere and killed the bird. I didn't even see him.
Alright,
Bro,
I
I'm
got,
dehydrated.
I
Oh,
got some
no.
trinks.
And there's no way I can get home without dying. And
Well, you can
You might as
attempt.
well die.
What a shame.
Oh, wow.
Tough.
well, I have an option. I could run in the redwoods and see if I can even find my bird,
Other
but it won't make it very far. I just want to see how far I make it.
Wait, actually, I have no idea where I'm at.
Alright, I got some bolas. Let's go find a bird.
I need trick darts. Hang on.
I'm very sorry, Jeffrey.
Dang.
Do you still have any trink arrows from earlier?
No.
I got some. It's fine.
I had
But
one,
now-
and I
now-
used it on that
I dropped.
Anglo.
I dropped some. I dropped
you did.
7. I dropped 16 trink arrows on the floor right in front of you before we left.
No?
Yes.
Oh,
Well, they despawned by the time I started walking over in your direction then or something. I don't know.
wow.
In the house, I dropped them. You said one. I was like, oh, okay, here we go.
I found the thing I needed to.
Well, that's fine. I got. You only need like 1 or 2. Bring them down.
I got 4.
I wonder if I can tame it. Still. Ow. That's a mean fish.
You know, Chase, I was telling you that I was somewhere. Turns out I don't think I'm there anymore. I'm looking, and this does not look like that at all.
Not the same area.
It's a
No,
horse. I
it
wonder if
really
I can tame it
does
so I can
not.
get home.
Chase, I found a purple one for you if you want this one.
I think I'm like way further down.
I'm over by Timmy.
Okay.
Timmy.
It's above me.
Above me.
It's flying.
Or I honestly have no idea where I'm at. If I'm being honest with you, Chase.
Oh,
That'll do it. Yep.
wow.
Oh my gosh, my stamina sucks.
Yep.
Nice. Boing.
No wonder. I was like, there's no
Now we
wonder
do gotta
psychos
go
here
on
at
another
spawn.
trip
But
to get
there is and is there.
care temperature.
There's some in the chest. Like
I think
40
there's
something.
75 of it. I don't think there is.
I see a horse.
Keep going.
Yes, please. I need to tame you so I can travel. The horse went to a bad area. That's wonderful.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to stop flying.
There's a
please.
Carno and it's killing the horse. That's wonderful.
Oh,
Love life.
It's okay.
Love Ark. It's great.
Oh, it's dead. There we go.
I have no travel. Nothing.
There's 2.
There,
There you go, Debbie.
there went the horse.
Hang on.
He's flying towards the.
The horse.
And I wasn't even trying to tame a horse.
See, it's kind of orange.
Guys, I'm gonna run through the redwoods and see how far I make it. Is that my death beam? No, it ain't.
Oh.
Oh, that's a Spino.
The one behind the bronze.
Oh. Behind the there it is.
He's like,
Great. I didn't make it to the water.
Uh-oh.
Were you killed
no.
I just jumped off a cliff
Oh.
and there's
Oh.
water, and
You tried to pull a
I
Minecraft.
thought it was gonna work, but it
It
was too
didn't.
shallow.
It did not work.
Alright.
It
I
done
think
did
we
not
should
work.
go get some levels and try to find Anna.